Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely automatic 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Has the 6-speed automatic 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine, gives you 120 horsepower. Car's done under 20,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.